Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Travel. It's 10 p.m. in the evening and I'm preparing this beauty only for you. So please smash a like and subscribe to this channel because I definitely deserve that. Let's see how to make suppli alla Romana. This is of course the vegan version of the suppli alla Romana, which is a typical Italian recipe, especially from Rome. And let's see how to make them. Place in a pan the finely diced celery and the onions and the carrots and cover them with water. Switch on the heating on a medium and let the water evaporate. Once the water disappears, you can add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Mix well and just leave it to fry for about 3-4 minutes. After 3-4 minutes, you can add the rice and just keep on stirring for about a minute. After 1 minute, you can add the red wine. Stir well and let it evaporate completely. When the wine is completely absorbed, you can add the salt, the pepper and the passata. Mix well and add some vegetable broth or hot water to cover the rice. Now what we have to do is to let the rice cook. So when you see that the water is gonna dry, you can keep on adding some of the water or the vegetable broth. You can taste it, you can try it until you see that the rice is tender and is not hard anymore, so it's usable to make our suppli. Now the water or the vegetable broth evaporated, so is ready. It took about 20 minutes. I tried the rice is tender, is very soft. So now that it is ready, we will need to leave to cool down in the pan. You can place it in your fridge for about half an hour or just leave it to cool down outside the fridge. While you are waiting for the rice to cool down, you can create the cream that you will need to roll your rice in. Take the chickpeas flour, add a tiny bit of salt, about half teaspoon, a bit of black pepper, mix it well and add some water step by step. Keep on mixing until you reach a creamy but not too thick consistency. This is the kind of consistency that we want, so it's not too liquid but it's not too creamy. Put it on the side and wait for the rice to cool down. To make it easier to shape your suppli, first wet your hands with a bit of water so the rice is not gonna stick to your hands. At this point we have the mozzarella cut in little cubes, the cream that we created with the chickpeas flour and the breadcrumbs. We will have to form little balls of rice, so we can take some of the rice in our hands and we will start to shape the suppli. Just make a tiny hole, put a cube of mozzarella inside and start to shape it. Close the rice around. If it's not enough, just add a tiny bit more rice on the top and shape it with your hands. You will have to have quite a firm consistency so it will stay together. So now that you have a ball or an oval, whatever shape you want to give, you can put it first in the cream. So roll it in the cream and then roll it in the breadcrumbs. There we go. If there is not enough breadcrumbs, just top it up a bit. And this is the result that you want. So this is the suppli before being cooked. We will do the same with all the remaining rice that we have. And we will put it to cook in hot frying oil until it will become golden on all the sides. It is already cooked, but of course frying it will make it so much better and the mozzarella inside is gonna melt. In a little pan, just put lots of frying oil, There we go. That's about the quantity you need. Switch on the heat at a medium level, and when the oil is hot, we can drop inside our suppli and just cook them until they go golden, then turn them until they are completely golden all around. Now I will show you how. Okay, now that the oil is hot, we can drop them inside. There we go. 1, 2. I cook 4 per time because my pan is very small, but you can cook as many as you like together. And we're gonna leave it there to fry for about a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna turn them and cook them on the other side too. Okay, now 2 minutes have passed, so as you can see, they are super, even more than golden. Just turn them on the other side and allow them to cook for another couple of minutes. There we go. Now we can put them on a nice plate. This is the final result, and it looks amazing, amazing, amazing. When you're gonna open them, you will see that the mozzarella inside melted. Folks, these are amazing. You can eat them like this, or you can eat them with a tiny bit of maybe garlic mayo. Just don't let them go cold, just eat them immediately. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too, and Facebook one too, so if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life, so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to tbsp Studio UK channel. That I will leave the link down below. Is my husband, and is the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much, honey.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.